Welcome back to the Healthy Sizzle. Sindhuja Sriram here. Today we are going to be making an incredibly delicious ragi chocolate cake. If you've been following this channel for a while, you knew I've been trying healthy, wholesome vegetarian recipes with millets and traditional rice varieties of India. But at times there comes an occasion or a craving that calls up for something indulgent. So today for this Christmas I'm here with an extremely delicious indulging chocolate cake with ragi flour. Absolutely no refined flour, no maida, nor oven. So let's get into making it. I've taken a roughly chopped almonds and few dark chocolate shavings for garnish. I'm preheating a cast iron kadai with a small cup placed and covered for about 10 minutes in sim flame. I'm greasing a small round tray layered with butter paper and dusting it with millet flour so that the cake doesn't stick on the tray and comes out easily after baking. Now in a large bowl, add in about 70 grams of softened butter and mash it using a spoon very well. To this, I'm going to be adding in half a cup of country sugar gradually and incorporate it and mix well to form a creamy texture. Once done, add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix. To this, add in half cup of dry roasted finger millet or ragi flour. If you have unroasted flour, then do roast it dry on medium flame till you get a nice aroma without getting burnt. Add in half cup of whole wheat flour, half teaspoon of baking powder and quarter teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt. Mix them all well. Add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Mix them all well and finally mix the entire mixture, to which I'm going to be adding half cup of milk gradually and mix them without any lumps. You may use cut and fold method to mix them. The batter should not be very thick nor too thin. It has turned out to be creamy. Now I am transferring this batter to the grease tray, level it up and gently tap to release all the air bubbles and keep it in the preheated kadai and cover it and cook it in sim flame for about 35 to 40 minutes. Meanwhile, for the cream, I have taken 70 grams of softened butter into a mixer, to which I am adding in 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder and grinding it well. You may have to mix it with a spoon in between so that it grinds well. Do this multiple times. Yes, it treats your patience. Now a fluffy cream with stiff peaks is ready. Refrigerate it and take it out 15 minutes before using it on the cake. Next, I'm making a simple sugar syrup with about 2 spoons of country sugar and little water. Mix them and add in 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Mix. This is used to coat the cake so that it absorbs the cream well. I'm keeping it aside. Now my cake is ready in about 40 minutes of time. It's better to check after 35 minutes. If it is not done, you may keep it for another 5 to 7 minutes. I'm inserting a knife and it has come out clean, which is an indication that the cake has got baked very well. Now switch off the flame and cool for about half an hour. Meanwhile, do not forget to take the choco butter cream we had refrigerated 15 minutes before spreading on the cake. Once the cake is cooled, flip it on a plate. Take out the butter paper. Wow, it has come out so well. Now I'm going to coat the cake with simple sugar syrup that we had already made, so that we get a nice moist cake. Now spread the cream on top and garnish them with a little bit of chopped almonds and few dark chocolate shavings. Trust me, it is delicious. I'll leave the links to the other healthy mouth-watering recipes that would make you strong and free from junk food. You can also find me on Instagram and Pinterest as well. Your comments encourage me and keeps me going, so do leave your suggestions in the comment box. Wow, the cake has turned out to be very soft, moist, fluffy and yummy. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for simple, healthy vegetarian recipes with millets and traditional rice varieties. Merry Christmas everyone. Sindhuja Sriram from Healthy Sizzle signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.